So in the previous subtask, as I told you, the time we get from the time module isn't that readable. That is, we need to format it. So let's go into this new concept and see what other ways we can format the time which we get from the time module. So first, let's just see what time.localTime is. It's basically a function in the time module which will give you the current time according to the area where you are. For example, it contains year, day, month, hour, and whatever time attributes are there. So let's see what it actually prints out without formatting it. See, it prints like this, which isn't that readable or doesn't look that appeasing to the user. Like, I don't want to read all this TM, midday, and all that stuff. I just want to see the number so that I can get to know the time. So now we are going to use the time.strf time, which will format this particular string into a readable format. So as you can see, this is the one which we used in the previous subtask. And by giving this particular line, we are going to format it in this way. So what we are aiming to do in this particular subtask is we are going to try to format it in this particular way. So we are storing the current time in this particular variable, and we are just going to print it out as it is, the unreadable format. So in the second block of code, we are going to be printing exactly the same way we had printed in the previous subtask, which is year, month, day, and then hour, minute, and second. And we are printing it over here. We're going to use the same variable, and again we're going to format it into a different way. This time we're going to put day first, then month, then year, and then only hour and minute. We will not be giving the second over here. And we're going to print that out. So we're going to add %d for the day and th as a string, which is going to come after the numbers. If you had given just %d, it would just show 07 without the th. But we need the th, hence we added th over here. Now you might be wondering, why does it say %b instead of %m? The reason is, over here, small m gives us number. For example, let's say it's February, it's going to show 02. But here what we want is we need the full name of the month in letters. So we're going to give %b, which will give the full name of the month. And as usual, y is going to give the year. And what %i does over here, it displays the hour, but in the 12-hour format. Over here, we are getting a 24-hour format. But over here, we are getting in the 12-hour format. Hence, we have used %i and we have used %m for the minutes. So what is %p over here? Since we have used the 12-hour format over here, we need to specify whether it's AM or PM. Hence, %p over here shows whether it's AM or PM. And then once again, we're going to be printing this time. So let's just run the code once. So as you can see, we have printed it in the way which you are supposed to in this particular subtask. And this is the unreadable format, as I told previously. And then this is the second one which we printed. And this is the third format which we printed. Finally, the last one. Let's just submit this. So yeah, we have passed the test cases.